This 2022 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 8529 RLBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mesquite, Texas, 75150 and is offered for sale by ExploreUSA RV Supercenter, Dallas, Texas. This new Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 5, slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by ExploreUSA RV Supercenter, Dallas, Texas, visit RVUSA.com.